I'm sure some of you guys are wondering how sturdy the hinges are. I just went over a railroad track with a big bottle of water, as you can see, and this thing does not wobble at all. So these hinges are very sturdy. The setup is very nice, and I'm very, very happy with how it came out. Hopefully this helps one of you guys out. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Pete's Carport. I just got done modifying this drink tray once again, and I could not be happier because now I can fold my drink tray out of the way so that if somebody's sitting in the passenger seat, the airbag now is free to open up without this slamming into them, and it is very sturdy and very easy to use. Now, what I did was I found these hinges here on Amazon, and they are very sturdy. All you do is you pull this forward like that, and it allows you to close the hinge, and then when you reopen it, it'll snap back into that place, making it nice and sturdy and stays in place. Now, if you missed the previous videos, I'm going to clip in some of them because I tried to do this completely different and it did not work out. Now, I got my drink tray from flossdvip. I'll leave a link in the description. And up underneath here is our original wood piece, which I'll show you in the video. And I went ahead and stained that, which I'll show you guys here and shortly. And then we put our trim piece right over that with our hinges screwed right through that. I'm going to show you guys that whole process, so stay tuned. So guys, here's the hinge that I picked up off of Amazon. I got 4 of them for about 20 bucks. Now, you're only going to need 2 of them to do this project, but we have some more VIP stuff coming up, and I'm going to definitely use these hinges. They are extremely durable. So look for a link below, and I'll also put it on the screen right now, what product it is, and make sure you've got yourself a drill with some drill bits so we can drill out our trim piece. So let's go ahead and grab that now, and I'll show you guys how we're going to install everything. So I already went ahead and laid out everything to kind of figure out how I want this to go. Now, this piece here is going to lay with the curvature like this, so more of an arch. And you can see these really heavy duty brackets that I bought can fold down. There's a little pull tab that you pull, and then you can pull the actual bracket down. Underneath there is going to be mounting holes, and if you look here, this one's folded up. There's mounting holes there. We're going to have to use these upper ones, and the way that we're going to access those is by folding the bracket down. Now, what I'm going to do is go in about 2.5 inches. Not very important, but you want them to be uniform, and you want them to line up the same on your panel piece. So what I'm going to do is mark it, then we're going to drill out the holes, and then we're going to drill the hole or screw the whole thing into our wood piece that is already on our glove box. So we did that on a previous video where we had originally mounted it, but this is going to be a much better solution for folding it down when not using it, and if somebody's in the passenger seat for safety purposes. So let's go ahead, drill out these holes, and see what we can do about fitting it onto the car. Alright guys, so before we go ahead and mount our bracket up, I want to get this thing stained. I'm just going to use some stain I had sitting around. I'll show you guys now. Hopefully it matches up pretty close with the color, because I noticed you could see this side piece here even when the plate's on there, and I want to try to hide that the best I can. So I'm going to stain the whole thing, but mainly we're just trying to get these end pieces and this top edge here. Let me go ahead and do that now. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is pre-drill the holes for our brackets to mount to the wood through our trim piece here. So you want to get this lined up so it's nice. Now you could tape this on here to hold it into place. I'm just going to hold it. It looks really good. Make sure it's even. I'm just going to make some marking holes. Like so. Now we can drill them out. Now you don't need to go all the way through here. You're just trying to prevent the wood from cracking, so that when you screw in your screws, it doesn't crack the wood. Alright, now let's go ahead and get our hinges, put them on there, and we'll screw everything down. Well guys, this is exactly what I wanted from the beginning. The safety part of this, so that the airbag cannot deploy and slam this into the passenger. Let's say you have somebody sitting here, and also allows you to snap it into place for using, whether you're by yourself or car shows, just for looks, whatever it is that you want to do. But this is absolutely amazing. These are very durable hinges. I'm really liking it. I think it looks very nice. Let me step over to the other side so you can kind of see how it looks from the driver's side. And so you guys can see there from the driver's side, you get a nice view of this trim piece that's stock with the nice tray that is kind of just gives it a little bit more flair, and I love it. I love the way it looks. I love the usability of it, and I love the fact that I can now just fold it down. Still looks nice, but it's not going to have any safety issues. So it's nicely up underneath that airbag area. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know I've already done 2 other videos on this, but this is the further modification. This is what I really wanted to do from the beginning, and finally got around to ordering the proper hinges. So you guys have an awesome day, a blessed week. Check out the first 2 videos if you're interested on how to install this completely. And you guys have an awesome day, a blessed week, and I'll catch you on the next video.